Njorua ino ikiamukirwo na njira ya magegania thingiraini wa iregi kiroko kia umuthi thutha wa kuhunduka na mucii hwae kuma Ngeretha kuria abunjire rekodi iyo. Sawe na uria wabunjire rekodi akiga ihinda rieru ria ithaa rimwe ndagika 59 na sekondi 30 akiuga ugotani uyu ti wake indi ni wa bururi guku akirira a Kenya guthie na mbere gucangararithia bendera ya bururi.
Nasema tu asante na bado tasidi kutia bidii kwa talanta zetu na kujenga jina ya taifa yetu ibaki kukaa juu kabisa.
Njorua ino riu ikiamukira ciringi milioni 5 cia gubunja rekodi na ingi 3 ni undu wa kuyukia ngoga ya dhahabu mahenyaini ma London Marathon muthenya wa Sunday thiru. Mutongoria wa bururi oho akimutuga na ngari iria ekwenda iria egwikirwo namba cia wandikithia iringaine na ihinda riake rieru ria rekodi ya thi.
Sebastian, you have not only broken a record, you have expanded the horizon of human potential. You have done what many believed could not be done. You have made the impossible possible. And in so doing, you have inspired a nation, you have inspired a whole generation, and you have inspired the world.
Thirikari riu ikiranira guthie na mbere guthondekera athaki othe riera riega ria gutwarithia na mbere uhotani wa bururi mathako-ini matiganite,
as well as other stadia across the country to meet international standards. We are also constructing another 25 stadia across the country. Recently, we signed a lease agreement between Zaria Group and the Kenya Railways Corporation for the construction of a modern arena and entertainment district.
I also want to assure all Kenyans that we will continue with implementing and investing in infrastructure so that we can have grassroots nurturing and development of talents across Kenya.
Mutengeri Sebastian Sawe agicokia guoko na gutuga President Ruto na iratu iria ahuthirire kumatha rekodi njeru ino ya thi. Handu-ini ha NJORUA TV njitagwo Mugure wa Karuirwo.